In part 1, I showed you how to launch a faceless YouTube channel using AI, but in this video, I'll walk you through the exact tools, templates, and workflow smart creators are using to make it fully automated. You'll see real examples, free tools, and how you can do this even if you're broke. Let's build your income machine, step by step. Step 1. Your YouTube Starter Kit. Here's your zero-cost toolkit. For scripting, use ChatGPT, which is also freely available. For voiceover, use Eleven Labs or TTSMP. For editing, visuals, use Pictory or Canva Pro. For thumbnail design, use Canva or Thumbnail. For SEO upload, use Vidic and YouTube Studio. Pro tip here is to bookmark all these. This is your Faceless Creator dashboard. Step 2. Get your script in 3 clicks. Open ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. Write a 5-minute YouTube script in a casual tone on topic of your choice. Include a hook, breakdowns, and call to action. Then say, make it shorter sentences, snappier tone, and include visual prompts. Done, you now have a full script. Step 3. Realistic voiceover. Use Eleven Labs. Choose a voice that sounds like a real person, not robotic. Test pitch plus speed to match YouTube pacing. Watch out for monotone. Your audience drops off if the voice sounds too flat. Step 4. Make the actual video upload script to Pictory AI. It will auto-select visuals, sync voice, and add captions. Now, you go in, adjust scenes, add some B-roll, and drop text highlights. Visual pacing hack. Cut every 2 to 3 seconds. Add zooms, transitions. Attention is currency. Don't waste it. Step 5. Thumbnail and title game. Use Canva. Drag in bold text, high contrast colors, and an emotional icon. Don't write your title inside the thumbnail. Use 2 to 3 power words max, like no face, $10,000. AI builds it, you earn. 0 views, $2. For the YouTube title, combine curiosity plus keyword. Example how this AI channel earns $100 a day without a face or voice. Step 6. Upload file and do SEO settings inside YouTube Studio. Title. Use a power title with your niche keyword description. Summarize the video. Include tools. Use tags. Use EO or Vidic for SEO-rich tags. End screen. Add subscribe next. Video link thumbnail. Upload your designed cover. This makes your video discoverable. Step 7. Monetize from day 1. Don't wait for 1K subs. Use affiliate links in every video. Promote your AI script templates. Offer a Notion productivity guide. Build a small email list for long-term offers. You're building a brand, not just a channel. There you go. The full back end of a faceless YouTube channel powered by all you need. A smart workflow, consistent posting, and creativity. Subscribe for more income breakdowns, toolkits, and faceless video strategies. Let's keep turning bytes into bank.